Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So when you Twitter updated you today's dates, Nabi reacts as Kaizer Chiefs reach Nedbank semi-final. Nabi said, "It's true that everyone is very happy. The supporters all across South Africa," he said on VAR. "But we need to think a little like a big club. This was a test and we need to concentrate on the next test to go all the way. It was a disappointing to concede, but we knew that we were playing a very strong and tough team," he continued. "Even after conceding the goal, we kept believing that we could come back and we were prepared for extra time. That is why we brought in Shabalala Vilakazi, because we were planning for extra time, planning to give us the extra time strength. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you'll notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.